Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first method, you can just open your phone application, open keypad on it and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here will be displayed your IMEI information, IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also the serial number. And you have the second method, just go to the settings, then go to the About Phone section, and then status, and here you can find your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also the serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.